Want to install apps on your Android without Play Store? Open any web browser on your Android phone. Search for the app you want to download. Example, CNBC APK. Tap the Download APK button. Once downloaded, find it in Files app, Downloads or Installation Files. Before installing, go to your browser and search VirusTotal APK Scan. Scroll down and open the VirusTotal website. Here, tap on Choose File. Here, select the downloaded APK file. Wait for the scan results. If all items show undetected, the APK is safe. If any results show malicious or virus, cancel the installation. Before installing, you must allow unknown app installs. Tap the APK file. You'll get this warning. For your security, your phone is not allowed to install unknown apps. Tap on Settings option and turn on Allow from this source. Now, at the bottom, tap on Install. If you see Unknown App Blocked or Auto Blocker message, go to the Settings app. Then scroll down and click on Security and Privacy. Here, look for the Auto Blocker option. Next, turn Auto Blocker off. Use PIN or Face Unlock if asked. Now return and tap the APK file again and hit Install. Once installed, tap Open to launch the app. And that's it. Follow and subscribe for more Android tips and tricks.